What is going on, dudes and dudettes? It is Deadbolt here, bringing back some more Backrooms. Late to the party as always. I know this came out like a month ago, and I saw it come out, and I was like, I need to react to that. And here I am. But Backrooms Reunion by Kane Pixels, be sure to support. Yeah, I have been watching a lot of videos about the Backrooms, and I don't know, I hear people debating whether or not this takes place in the game, you know, like the whole game theory that's been circulating. And I'm on the fence now. I was more leaning towards that theory as well, just because, you know, everything is no clipping. But what if this is just like a parallel universe to ours and it's just fucked? You know, like maybe that's just what universes are. Like, what if it's like the whole NPC simulation type theory? What if we're in a simulation and we think video games are a simulation, but like that's how the people above us see us, you know? That's what I think is going on. It's not necessarily a video game. It's just being, I guess. It's just what existing is in this multiverse. I don't know. Well, let's get into it. You know what? Should I go? The Backrooms isn't, I've noticed, is not very scary other than the first video. It's more like creepy, off-putting. You know, it makes you think. It's like, it's confusing, if anything. But alrighty, let's get into it. Live action. And I have heard Kane Pixels' interview. I forgot what the YouTuber was who did the interview, but I've heard his interview with him, and he said that Async isn't necessarily evil, just arrogant. Like, they're not going out of their way to terrorize their employees and all that. And he says that he doesn't go out of his way to, like, depict people as good or evil in his work. So, I take that as Async might be our best bet at, like, figuring out this whole backroom situation. They're like a necessary evil, I guess. Are you gonna be attacked? I would say no. Yeah, they have like a little line that they're following. This is all plotted out. Aw, who did this? Come on now. This is my paper route.
I think we should have enough room to unpack over there.
Okay, sounds good.
Can you loosen that strap?
Is that like a rover?
Say 3 at the very least. I think 7 trips that way, I think. You sure forklifts on yet?
Watch your hand.
That'll be creepy as fuck.
Yeah, we're just assembling now.
See, if I were Async, I would send in like a small army. I know that's pretty shitty. That's the American in me. I'm coming into your lane and I'm taking it. But like, either that or just more realistically, I would just close the portal. Say fuck it. But then again, you have to think about the people that are like falling through reality. I guess that is something that needs to be solved. You can't really, that would be kind of shit if that happened to like you or somebody you cared about. They just randomly falls through the map. Like, come on. It's not cool. And it is like a little rover.
Is that really what he said? I don't think he has a full understanding of the situation.
Oh, I doubt he does either. But
I mean, you guys don't really understand the situation either, do you? Like, there's monsters in this place, and you're over here trying to sell it off as real estate and build your home here, build a community. But then again, I guess everywhere you live has their own hazards, right?
Here we are.
In Vegas, we have mountain lions every now and again. Coyotes and shit.
I am surprised with how well this is holding out.
Some places got bears. Oh, that's where that one guy fell through. And he found like the little road.
Stop.
Yeah, it was blocking.
Standard, this is Clyde. We've reached room 14D. We're now just about to initiate the equilibrium stimulus test.
Ooh. It's getting some interference.
That's still good?
The last one came back good, but I recommend you keep a mask on just to be safe.
We gotta start updating our protection system.
Yeah, the other thing that's been happening, like when people go in there without masks, they start coughing. And I'm guessing that has something to do with the,
Oh, yeah.
like that man that was covered in the,
conserving power.
like,
And they
fungus.
put it back in the cart when they get here.
Hey team, this is Mark. You copy?
Uh,
Copy, reach 11th. We've just reached 14D. There are no visible signs of Marvin spread.
that is absolutely not the name we're going with.
Well, then you better start working on a new one. This one isn't a better deal. Remote one. Remember that? And these ones are all fairly even, right? You just have to go on that one.
Just focus on going down the center and around those 2 points of
I still feel like that guy who fell in deserves it.
interest for today.
Well,
Like-
that's good to hear. Are you ready to start sending people down? I know we don't have that many hours left before we need to start revamping the material protocols. We need to double check again.
I'm unathletic as hell, barely balanced, and I'm pretty sure I could cross that. Like, it's not that thin.
3 as well. Hey, can I get a hand over here?
Oh, big brain. They were like, it's like when people fall off scaffolding that don't have rails and they're like, oh, gotta put rails. Come on now. Like they wait until after you fall to like start implementing safety things, safety features. While Team A assembles a walkway across room 14D, Mark Bloom, Randall Tachi, and Marvin Lay, camera, conduct an initial layout analysis of room 14C.
Is this the same one they had you practice with?
Ooh,
Pretty similar, but they were just renting that one.
hell
As
yeah.
far as I'm concerned, though, not like I know the difference.
It better be real.
Into that.
You wouldn't want to be on the other end of any gun, Marvin.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Alright, get your lights on.
Our bullet's gonna work on the creature though.
Oh, yeah,
Or
sorry.
its official name, the life form.
Standard, this is Mark. We're now beginning our progression into room 14C. Alright, so we're going to want to stay mostly down the middle, but maybe go around 1 or 2 just to make sure we're not missing anything.
Good damn playing this mouse.
I don't know.
I hope the other two at least have like pistols.
Okay, yeah, floor's different. Looks like concrete, or what's it called? The stuff they layer over concrete to make it shiny.
Don't stay behind.
Epoxy?
Come on.
Yeah, epoxy. Looks like we got standard white drywall with black vinyl trim or wall base. Ceiling looks relatively the same, just tighter, smaller tiles.
Oh,
It looks like there's another space between the floor types. Huh.
Oh yeah. Guess we can put a tape measure down there again. I believe we've only seen displaced tiles, 4, I think it was 4 times before. Not too common.
do I hear like a faint heartbeat? Or is that just mine? Like,
Guys, I found something.
Yeah?
You gotta look at this. What, is it right over there? Yeah, it's some sort of... No, you're right, this looks handmade. You can't determine that just by looking at it.
oh,
No, I'm just assuming right now. Either way, you're right, it does look like some kind of map.
Yeah. You know, it almost looks like...
I think this is over around here, 14C.
Yeah. Yeah, it's,
Team A, come in, this is Mark.
that's the area we came through. That's
someone who was previously trapped.
and there's
Team A,
14D.
this is Mark, do you copy?
There's B and A.
Standard, do you copy?
They don't copy. Head
This
back.
is Mark, do you copy?
Head back.
Yeah, no, the signal's dead, we've gone too far. We gotta go back.
What? You sure? We're not that far.
Well, that's all the more reason to get...
Yeah, fuck that. I'd be looking for any reason to leave.
Well, if we do get back and they say it's just a non-issue and you just come back around, then I don't see what... Oh my god!
Hey guys, he's got my gun! He's got my gun! He's got my gun!
Don't move! Never you move!
Okay, okay!
I don't want to hurt any of you. But I will. If I have to, so please, just move. Just answer my questions and I'll be gone. How many people are out here right now? Down the hall, how many people are out here?
Wait,
I don't know.
Peter?
Oh shit.
Marv? Marvin?
Yes, it's me. Is it really you?
It's me.
Is that the guy who fell?
How? It's been months. We thought you...
I know. That's what they did. They took my life from me, Marv. Everyone thinks I'm fucking dead. My wife and children think I'm dead.
Can you please put down the gun?
Marvin, just tell me. Did they hold a funeral?
Yes.
This is Team A. Do you read us? Yes, A-Team, this is Mark. I read you.
Mark, don't.
What are you doing?
We need immediate armed
Mark.
support at room 14C.
Stop.
My team and I are being held at gunpoint by a hostile. I repeat,
Stop.
please
Don't
send
shoot him.
immediate armed support to room
Stop.
14C.
Don't.
Sorry. Marvin, I'm alive. But I want to know that I'm alive. I need to know.
Just killed that man. Blew off his dome. So he's surviving. I don't blame him for going crazy. Like, I'm pretty sure I would too if I was trapped in the back rooms. But man, you could have got help. That was like your way out. That was really good. That one actually had a lot of drama. Drew me in. Marv has to be the unluckiest person in this series. He's had an encounter with an entity that mimics voices and survived. Now he's being held hostage from a crazy abandoned Async employee and had to witness his friend Mark die in front of him. I hope the poor guy gets a break if he survives. Honestly, I didn't know that was all the same person. But now, that's just tragic. Oh my god, let this man retire. Come on, even if he's like in his 20s. I think he deserves it. He's probably like... His hairline's probably already receding and everything. I don't know what's scarier, the way the backroom seems to be a semi-sentient monster full of monsters, or how Async just keeps marching personnel into the hell pit despite everything. Their commitment to this plan is inhumane. Yeah, that is kind of shitty, isn't it? One thing I forgot, did the people no-clipping into the backroom start when they opened the portal, or was that already a thing before that? Because if they opened the portal and then that shit started happening, then I feel like it's their job to fix their fuck up, just because, you know, people getting sent to the back rooms unwillingly, randomly, that's not cool. And it happened before. I still feel like they should try to fix it, because then that's not cool. Imagine that. But it was really cool. I can't wait for more videos to come out in this series. The Backrooms is one of the coolest properties that have shown up in the past few years, and I want to see it continue. I also like this tech. I know that's a weird detail to add, but like, I don't know, something about old-fashioned technology, retro tech. What is this, like from the 80s? like an old Macintosh. Those are always cool. But yeah, be sure to support Kane Pixels so we can get more of this. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shoot a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're greatly appreciated, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, everybody. Bye-bye.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no